guys, Chris again over at your neighborhood Ace Vacuums. We're at 300 Fort Everett Road, Leesburg, Virginia. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and follow us on YouTube. Today we're talking Miele. Miele is one of the most well-renowned vacuums. We get a lot of calls in and a lot of questions here in the store about what the differences are in the Miele's. So today we're going to show you a really quick, brief overview of 3 of the different models and how they benefit you in your home. The first model we're going to talk about today is going to be your Compact C1 series. They make these in a lot of different ones, from your turbo teams to your HomeCare to a lot of different models in the classic C1, Compact C1. This is mainly designed for somebody with a lot of hardwood floors, little to no carpet, and area rugs. This is a non-electric power head. This has all straight suction tools and attachments. So if you're somebody that's looking for a high quality vacuum, good longevity, reliability, performance, everything that you want in a good vacuum, and just have a lot of hardwood floors, little to no carpet, this is the vacuum for you. The next vacuum we're going to talk about is your mid-grade model. This is the classic C1. They make this in the pure suction, the HomeCare, the cat and dog. This is the electric entry level to your electric machine. This comes with a 228 height adjustment power head. This is your whole home vacuum in one system. It's very nice, a lot of tools and attachments. This particular model is the HomeCare. If you get anything that's a HomeCare, it's a direct from a dealer. It's a 5-year warranty, parts, labor, motor, and casing. It comes with extra attachments and tools, everything you need in a vacuum. It can do all carpeting from low pile to high pile, all type of hardwood floors, everything you need all in one vacuum. Again, this is the classic C1 series. Last but not least is the big daddy of vacuums. This is the complete C3. It has all the bells and whistles, the rubber bumper guard, toe touch control, one-touch retractable cord. The best thing about this machine is all the tools are stored directly right here in the caddy. Very lightweight, very powerful, a high vortex motor. Same thing. You can get this in a lot of different models, from your Kona to the Elise to the Marin to the HomeCare. This is the complete C3 HomeCare. It has the 5-year warranty, the additional attachments. This is a complete home vacuum. Everything you need from low pile to high pile carpet, all flooring types. Very nice, versatile machine. It's great for everybody in all types of different houses, homes, and things like that. If you guys have questions about any of these vacuums or any of the models, call us here at 703-997-9292, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you guys and have a great day.